The National Park Service here in Cumberland Island has a free dock that you can stay on until sunset. So you're able to stay here if you can get a spot. There aren't many of them, but you just need to be gone by sunset. So we'll go explore the island for the day, and then at sunset we'll come back, go out, set an anchor, and then move on to Jekyll Island tomorrow. So let's go see what Cumberland Island is. So there's a fee station here. You can see it's $10 per person, 16 and older. So we threw a 20 in here. Of course, there's no, oh wait, there's pencils. Yep. So we'll get this filled out and get it in there. You know, this is kind of an honor thing, but one thing is if you enjoy this sort of thing and you want there to be parks people there protecting it, we kind of view it as our responsibility to do our part. So even when nobody's looking, you still got to do your part. Welcome to Dungeness.
This is so cool.
You'll never get the smell outdoors. So pretty. So pretty. Action.
The wild horses! Oh my gosh!
And here is what Dungeness looked like in her prime. So the story of how Dungeness became, went from this, palatial mansion to a ruin, kind of interesting. And we got this back at the museum in St. Mary's. So if you get a chance to stop, give you a little bit of backdrop and history for the site. But anyway, the house was built by a Revolutionary War general who died and his wife remarried. Anyway, during the Civil War, the house was occupied by Union forces who were under strict orders not to damage the home. But, either ironically or not ironically, just as they left, Dungeness burnt to what you pretty much see it now. So, a little controversy there on whether or not people sort of struck a match on their way out the door or whether it was just from being left unattended. But that is how this went from one of the area's sort of premier mansions to the ruin that you see now. Of course, if you came here on your own boat, if you wait till after 4 o'clock, all these people will get back on their boat, go away, and you can have the place to yourself until sundown when you need to pull your boat off the dock and put it on the hook. Oh, it's another night of hard rations. All we have is asparagus, mashed potatoes, bacon wrapped steak, peppers and mushrooms, and more onions than I've ever seen in my life.
I'm gonna have them on my salad all week long. Stop.
How come there's no gravy? That's what I want to know.
All right.
Oh, honey, how was your dinner for Easter Sunday?
I don't know about you, Clark, but I sure am enjoying it. This is good. Probably just hacking up a bone. Well, if you'd stop feeding him from the garbage can.
We have hit the bottom.
Huh?
I'm recording you. You want me to go forward?
Can you turn the wheel? No, stop. Stop. Turn the wheel back a little more forward.
That's where we hit bottom. Oopsie.
What?
We're stuck.
No, stay we're stuck.
What do you have to say about that?
Trying to recalibrate the compass or the autopilot and
Not paying attention?
where I was, what I was doing. I need you to watch where we're going over the boat.
Okay.
So at least the rudder system worked as it was supposed to.
Oh, good. So when we hit bottom, the rudders will shoot out, and now Roan is trying to. We hit bottom so bad that they're stuck out, and we're trying to put them back in. This is how we roll. Our dinghy is full. We are bicycling into Cumberland Islands.
Here we are swinging in one of the Carnegie family's swinging chairs on the porch that of course they had because
Why wouldn't they?
West and Wewaxation.
It's beautiful here.
Let's see if we can take a peek inside.
Push me.
Push me.
Fan me. Feed me grapes.
Swing. Oh yeah, look at this. This is a swimming pool.
Oh, she did say about the swimming.
Yeah, this is the must be the indoor swimming pool. Of course, they had one.